It is immensely gratifying to know that the Community West Foundation is an organization that touches lives and profoundly impacts our community. We invest in organizations that help people, basic needs. There's a great need in our community, and the work of our social service agencies is nothing short of essential. We provided over $5 million in grant funding in 2013 to help many worthy causes, and our video highlights local organizations that are grateful for the funding support and serve those in need every day. The scriptures call for us to care and protect the least of these, our brothers and sisters in need. And indeed, that is now our strategic plan, to do unto those who are the least of us as we do unto him. At Community West, we answer that call to those who are in need of our help, support, love, in time of trouble. In our work, we care about the plight of the unfortunate, the people who regularly stand in the bread lines and visit food pantries, the children who go to school hungry, the homeless who stay in shelters that are consistently full, refugees struggling to find work, the people who are fighting addiction and mental health issues, and the sick and the dying who deserve our comfort and compassion. This video contains stories of the impact of our work and some of the lives we have touched along the way. So please, see the results of our work in these testimonials.
Metanoia Project is a hospitality center / shelter that operates seasonally. What we do is we're essentially a homeless shelter, but catering to those homeless who will not use the regular shelters for one reason or another. Community West Foundation has been and continues to be one of our major funders in this, and they really helped us not only to get started, to remain started. We serve a population that typically gets ignored and does not get a response. And I really welcome the opportunity to sit here and talk about Community West, because we see them actually as more as friends than just a foundation. They listen, they respond, and they understand, and they take the time to understand what happens in the community.
I'm Michael Searing, Vice President of Housing and Shelter for Lutheran Metropolitan Ministry. We're currently in the 2100 Lakeside Homeless Shelter, where we have 70 beds. This is just one area of 400 beds for people who are homeless per night. Our work is possible in part thank you to Community West Foundation, who funds the shelter. Through the funding, we're able to operate a work experience program that serves over 200 men per year, providing over 100,000 hours of community service. Community West funding is especially important because we've seen an increase in homelessness, about 10% each of the last 3 years. But with funding and increased partner relationships, we've actually been able to decrease the length of stay by 10 or 15% a year. In short, people are finding housing quicker.
My name is Jim Schlecht, and I, for the last 15 years or so, have been doing street outreach for Care Alliance Health Center, and we basically, during the week, go to places where the unsheltered homeless population reside, under bridges and at various campsites on the east side and west side and downtown areas of Cleveland. Without the support of folks like Community West, we would not be able to reach out to the people that we do.
Hi, I'm Ann Goodman. I'm the president and CEO of the Cleveland Food Bank. And I must say that one of our most valued partners here at the Food Bank is the Community West Foundation. They have jump-started one of our most important initiatives, which was our initial summer match program, which we now do with individual donors, which enabled us to raise in our first year over $800,000, and now they have become one of our most loyal partners in all that we do.
I'm Major Lurleen K. Johnson, the Divisional Secretary for the Salvation Army of Greater Cleveland, standing here at the West Park Salvation Army, and you can see today we have a wonderful event taking place. We anticipate giving out 16,000 pounds of food today, donated by the food bank. And this is one of those days where you see the community come together. The Food Bank, Community West, the Salvation Army are working hard to meet the needs of all these people here. The need is moving from inner Cleveland to the outer parts of Cleveland. So West Park is truly showing to be a place of great need.
Hi, I'm Trish Rooney. I'm the Executive Director here at Lakewood Community Services Center. And as you can see in the background, we are the food pantry for Lakewood, Rocky River, and Westlake. And we also provide significant services to people who are homeless and who are about to be homeless. So we serve about 30% of the population right now in the city of Lakewood comes in here for our services. We have had the great good fortune to be involved with Community West Foundation since 2009, when we made a very significant move to this 5,000 square foot facility. Our partnership has enabled this organization to grow and to expand our services.
My name is Rick Kem, and I'm the Executive Director of the May Dugan Center. And our mission is to help people enrich and advance their lives and communities. And we accomplish our mission through several programs and services that we offer here at the May Dugan Center. Primarily our Counseling and Community Services Department, which includes counseling for people with severe mental health issues, as well as people who are looking for basic human service needs. Each year, representatives from the Community West Foundation's board and staff have been at May Dugan to participate in a very well-organized site visit to learn more about our programs and services.
I'm Mary Sue Tanis, Executive Director and founder of Youth Challenge. Youth Challenge provides sports and recreation to children with physical disabilities. And the only way we're able to accomplish that is with the helping hands of over 400 teen volunteers that we recruit, train, and activate every year. Sincerely, I thank the Community West Foundation Board of Trustees, all the donors that you're involved with, that you bring in, they follow you. I thank you for that ballast that you give this community, that you give smaller nonprofits like us, so we have hope to thrive with great confidence going forward.
Providence House is blessed by the support from the Community West Foundation for our crisis nursery, which provides emergency shelter and protects children at risk of abuse or neglect. Over 7,000 children have lived at Providence House, and for many, many years, Community West has been a key partner in helping us keep our children safe, help them thrive while they're with us and after they leave, and more importantly, create safe, stable parents and homes for them to return to so that we can prevent abuse and neglect of our children long-term and prevent foster care placements as well.
Hi, I'm Brian Donnelly, the president of Lutheran Hospital. I wanted to tell you what a wonderful partnership we have had with Community West Foundation and the tremendous benefit that Lutheran Hospital and all of our patients and all of our caregivers get from Community West Foundation.
I'm Jan Murphy, president for Fairview Hospital. The next fund that we would really like to highlight in this tape is Caring Continues. And that really supports our cancer patients over at the Mall Cancer Center. And it really is funding that is available for cancer patients should they run again into financial difficulties because of being out of work or being sick and not able to work. And so that has really been a wonderful fund where the staff at Mall Cancer Center can tap into and help with either food or utility bills at a time when patients are very vulnerable and they need our support. And again, we could not do that without Community West.
Hi, I'm Mary Kay Staley. I'm the Executive Director at Malachi House. The mission of Malachi House is to help the underprivileged, terminally ill, who have no other place to go and no one to take care of them. It is a service that we have now provided to 1,689 residents throughout our 25 years. We are so very thankful for the loving support of the Community West Foundation that's enabled us to have the Community West bedroom for the past 8 years.